With classic Vespa looks and styling, this truly is a fashion icon. The Vespa licensed 946 12-volt battery electric motorbike is one of the most iconic motorbikes we sell here at RiiRoo. It faithfully reproduces every little detail of the legendary Vespa scooter with wonderful details for zipping around at full glamour. It's suitable for children of up to 7 years of age or up to 122 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Realistic multi-spoke rims, forward and reverse gears. Just look at the attention to detail of the brake discs. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Padded leather style seats. Removable safety stabilisers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with two wheels. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.